Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a makeup limited edition beauty box from beautybay and it's their guest list beauty box. The cost of the box is £50 and it contains 13 makeup products. I'll pop a link down below if you're interested in taking a look for yourself. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. That will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. But I'll just go on to the website just to give you some background information about this box, as there's no leaflet inside. It says the summer guest list is here and you're all invited. Summer 2021 is the year of the wedding, party, birthday or the long overdue event that you've been waiting for. What better way to prep for the big day than with the ultimate bundle of makeup to create all your guest list looks. When I found out about this box, I ordered it straight away. It contains a lot of products I've never tried before, from brands I've never tried before, so that excited me. But also having a makeup box, no skincare, just a makeup box, is really exciting because that doesn't always happen. And beautybay, I'm not sure if they do these boxes regularly or not, but I don't know. It's the first time I've really noticed that they've done it anyway. But yeah, so I had to get it. I posted it up on my Facebook page and someone commented that you're able to get £10 off and she posted up a discount code. So I'll pop that down in my description as well. I'm not sure if it'll still work or not, but if I can find any other discount codes, then you'll find them down there as well. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. I'll give you a quick sneak peek. Now, I've taken all the products out because I've taken photos for Instagram. But, I'll go through it one by one. There is so much information on the beautybay website surrounding this box. For every product that is featured, it tells you how to use it. There's a lot of information there, which I really like. So first up then, we've got a beautybay palette, their own brand palette. And this is Nude, 16 colour palette. Got a mirror there. And those are the shades. They are beautiful. If you love a nudie look. They are stunning. They are really, really lovely. So let's do a few swatches on my arm. There's a few there. They're really lovely, aren't they? They're really pigmented. Oh, yeah, they are beautiful. I'm impressed with that black. So far, so good. It doesn't look really patchy. Blacks can tend to look quite patchy, which is not a good sign. But this is quite creamy. So yeah, I'm really excited to give that a go. Then we've got a Made by Mitchell ME3 eye brush. Gorgeous shade. Lime green. Yep, really nice brush. Is that? Next we've got a blush palette by BH Cosmetics. And this is Flower Power. Beautiful packaging. 4-colour blush palette. See the colours there. These are my favourites. These are what I'm drawn to mostly. It depends actually. Not that one, that was not for me. But yeah, maybe that one as well. Depends on what they like. I'll try a little bit as well. They're really pretty shades. Yeah, definitely those three then. I'm all my type. Is that? Then we got a KimChi Chic Drama Queen, the Unboring highlighting palette. Got a mirror there. And these are the shades. They're bonkers. They're absolutely bonkers. I'm more likely to use them as eyeshadows, but I'll just show you a few what they look like. Going up my arm there. They're really pretty. What's that? Is that where my top has been tight? Yeah. They're really pretty. They are really pretty shades. But yeah. Besides the goldy ones, I wouldn't use the other ones as highlighter on my face personally. But yeah, as eyeshadows, as glittery, sparkly eyeshadows, yeah, I really like it. So is that. Next, we've got a beautybay Oil Control Priming Mist. And there's 118 mils here. If any of you have tried these products, please let me know what you think of that. Ow! Ooh, flipping aura. Yeah, please let me know what you think of them down in the comments. I don't have oily skin. I am on medication to control my oily skin, so I'm going to give that to my daughter. I know that she'll appreciate it. Next we've got a product by Inglot, and this is a False Lash Effect Mascara. I have never tried any products from this brand before. I don't think so anyway. I don't think I've even tried like samples in beauty boxes. This is my very first product. Some mascara. Yep, looks a nice wand to grab eyelashes. See what that is like. Next, I've got Sample Beauty Brow Gel Ultra Hold. Brilliant. I love a good brow gel. And the stronger, the better. Even though my eyebrows are microbladed, they are still a little bit too dark for me. Oh, they are a little bit too dark. I don't look too bad with makeup on, but without makeup, I look quite harsh. So I'm hoping they will fade over the next couple of months a little bit. So I don't really do anything with them now, except for clear eyebrow gel, just so I can just put my little sparse brows, my little tufts of brows, what I've got in there, just keep them in shape. There's no need really, but it just looks a bit better. So yeah, so I want something really strong holding. This literally looks like glue. Brow gels by Sample Beauty. It does, it looks like glue. Got a Serial Liner by Nabla. Precision Liquid Waterproof Eyeliner in black, I'm assuming. There's that. What type of brush is it? Ooh! Brush. It is literally a brush. Oh, brilliant. Oh, brilliant, brilliant. Oh, I love it. I love a brush. You can get a really fine line or you can thicken it up. Yeah, I love a brush nib. Liquid eyeliner. Then you've got a lip liner by KASH. This is Rust Nude. See, all these browns I've never tried. Oh, I love it. I love it. The shade looks quite dark there. I haven't tried it yet. Let's have a look. For me personally, that is... Is it a lip liner? Did it say lip liner? Yeah, it does say lip liner. That would make a gorgeous eyeliner. But yeah, for a lip liner, it's a little bit too dark for me. There's that. Then we've got a lip glaze by Nudestix in shade Nude 04. There. I love this colour. I absolutely love that. Absolutely gorgeous colour. Just give a little bit of a natural flush to the lips. Yeah, I absolutely love that. Then we have got a lip gloss by Soda. This is We Got You Babe. And this is super sparkly. Oh my word. No, definitely not one for me. Definitely not one for me. It's really pretty. I'm running out of space. Can you see there? It's gold. It looks like a gorgeous liquid highlighter. It is stunning. It is stunning, but yeah, not for me. I'll be passing that on. Then we have got a Makeup Academy blushed liquid cream blush in shade Watermelon. Oh, it's just popped up all over me. That is a gorgeous colour. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Yeah. For lips, maybe, you only need a tiny, tiny, tiny bit for blush. I'm going to have to clean that. That's a right mess there. Oh, never mind. And then lastly, we got the most gorgeous false eyelashes. This is by Sosu Premium Lashes. And these are Alex Lightweight Invisible Band. And look at them. They are huge, but beautiful. I will have to trim them about there because my eyes are small, but I love the elongated cat eye effect. I absolutely love this style. I think it is gorgeous. I cannot stand thick bands there. I just find it really uncomfortable. I don't like it. So the fact that there's a lot of lash but a really thin band, I love it. So there you go. So those are all the products inside the Beauty Bay Guest List 13-piece makeup bundle box. The cost of the box is £50 and I can't find out online how much it is worth, but it's definitely worth way above £50. I cannot wait to create a look with it. If you want me to do a makeup look using all these products, please let me know down below and I'll try and do that as soon as possible. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you bought it, or are you watching this thinking, do you know what, no, I'm not, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.